Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to remove a door handle on a 2010 Ford Fusion. Apparently this one broke. So today you'll be needing a, where's it at? T15 and a 932 socket. T19 you'll be using it right there, under the door, right there. And there's like a little, gap. And there'll be another 932, a T15 right there. And for the 932 socket, you'll be using it right on the door handle. It's pretty a mess down there. After you got those out, I'll show you the next step. After you got those out, you want to remove this out. Give me 1 second. Okay. And you have this little clip, push down and remove. Let me fold my hands for this. Give me 1 second. There you go. As simple as that. And to remove all of this, you want to use a flat screwdriver and pop all those out. There we go. All around. There you go. Comes right off. Forgot to mention, be very careful. You don't want to unplug those or break those apart. You might have a bigger problem. You got your door panel off. You want to remove that little screw. Happens to be bigger than that 932. Let's see, 5/16. Yep, that's the one. 5/16. All right. Comes right off. Push out. Comes right out. And this one, you might have to play with it a little bit. See if you can take it right out of there. You might want to use 2 hands for this. Swipe this right out. Oh, fell right off. Once you got that done, you want to go ahead and grab your new piece and follow the exact same step, just backwards. You'll want to mount that little wire on first and then push down on this. Once you got that back on, you can proceed with the same steps backwards. As you make sure everything's back intact, you want to make sure you can reconnect this to your lock switch. If you forget to do that, it's not gonna lock. Then you can just put your door panel back on and make sure you hit all around on the side. Make sure you get every clip back on. Make sure everything is on. And grab your little this. Make sure put that on, or else you might lose them. this right back on. The little door panel back on, and the little thingy. That's so secure. Make sure you put your little screws back on. Put them right over there. And don't forget to add this little guy right down there in the middle. After that's done, you can test out your door. So the problem with my door is that this little lock broke and it was not locking. Even as you locked your car. Now it works. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I'll be back for some more videos.